Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant Mass Hiring step-by-step registration process video. This is the part second video in which we will discuss about everything. Before registering into opportunity, you have to update your resume with the latest photo. They clearly mention that they want resume with a high resolution passport size photograph. Please note that photograph should be clicked in light background and both the ears of candidate must be visible. Because the thing is, I already shared this opportunity through our live session 1 hour ago, okay, and this is one of the biggest opportunity, okay, for the 2024 batch. One most important point in the hiring process, they mention that one stop registration are there and after screening are there. They will check your eligibility criteria, they will check all of your superset details. If you cleared that, so you will receive the round 1 online communication assessment. If you cleared online communication assessment, after that round 2 is aptitude assessment. If you cleared that, you will be move on to final round, that is technical interview, and if you selected, like finally after selection, full time offer is there. Okay, so one most important point, they clearly mention that you have to follow this guideline. This is the eligibility criteria. 24 batch of BE BTech any branch can apply. 50% in 10 12th diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate with no standing error. Okay, 50% is the criteria. So they mention resume maximum of 2 page. That's why we shared we created one drive, okay, in which both formats are there. Like one of the, like two formats are there, you can choose any one of format. High resolution photograph are there, name, email, mobile number, LinkedIn ID, objective, skills, education, training or certification, projects and interest, hobbies. Second resume is also related to that, okay, everything is present also in the second resume. You can use any of the format, okay. High resolution photograph with both the ears are visible, okay. One most important point that I have to mention, this resume is already selected in many of the companies like Deloitte, Accenture, other companies, okay. So the thing is, you can use any of the format. One most important point, they clearly mention that resume maximum of 2 page, okay, not more than of 2 pages, like 3 pages, 4 pages or 5 pages, okay. I suggest please upload the 1 page resume, it will good, okay, with a high resolution passport size photograph. Please note that photograph should be clicked in light background and both the ear of candidate must be visible. That's why we shared this, okay. In the format, both ears are visible, okay, everything is fine. High resolution photograph are there, okay. If you just zoom that, so you will be see able to see the particular photograph, okay, it is clearly visible, okay. So all academic documents including college ID card and school college UG mark sheet, mandatory documents for interview, and mandatory documents for onboarding. PAN card, last name and first name should be updated. If last name is not updated, so background verification will not be successful. So if PAN card is not available, kindly do not proceed with the application registration. Voter ID card, passport will be mandatory to verify citizenship, that is related to onboarding, okay. But in the registration, resume with maximum of 2 pages with a high resolution passport size photograph, okay. And they will send all the communication on the registered mail ID in superset, okay. So first, how to update the resume, okay. First of all, you have to click on file here, okay. I am sharing the link with all of you. You have to just you can download the particular you can download the particular Word format, okay. In the particular Word format, first of all, you have to click enable here, okay, and you have to update your resume, okay, and save into PDF format, okay, save into PDF format. And you have to open the link that is related to job profile. Suppose like when you click on apply now button, but the previous resume are there, so you have to update your resume. So you have to click on add new here, you have to write Cognizant resume, and you have to upload the particular resume. Suppose this is my resume, okay, updated resume, Cognizant resume. So I uploaded here, okay, and I will go to the particular profile and the apply now button is there. So I suggest use self resume. So it is showing that you are using the Cognizant resume, okay. So you can also open that Cognizant resume, okay. So please ensure that following documents are available to proceed. Diploma mark sheet if applicable, yes. Do you have a PAN card? Yes. Do you have a voter card? Yes. Okay, and rest of the details you have to fill fast. Okay, so you have to mention your first name, then last name, disclaimer, the name given while registration is considered I agree. How do you come to know about this job posting? Your email ID, father's name, select your nationality. Are you living in India? Did you complete your degree outside India? Have you completed 4-year undergraduate degree? Please select the education gap. Are you flexible for any work location, shift timing and technology? Select preferred job location Bangalore, Chennai. Were you employed with Cognizant earlier? No. If you are employed, you have to mention I agree to above mentioned job description. I agree. Do you have passport? That's most important point. Suppose you have passport, so click on yes, otherwise no. Okay. If yes, do you hold an Indian or foreign passport? So suppose if you have an Indian, foreign or no passport is available, so you can choose. One most important point that I have to mention, that at time of onboarding, okay, at time of your onboarding they clearly mention voter ID card, passport will be mandatory to verify citizenship. So apply for passport as soon as possible. Okay, if foreign passport, do you have OCI PIO? Okay, if foreign national living in India, so they have a OCI PIO with a valid work visa. Emergency contact number. Are you physically challenged or impaired? Okay, you have to click on not applicable. Not applicable, choose the disability. Not applicable. Okay, what kind of infrastructure technology support would you require to work from Cognizant office? This question is only applicable for candidate with who mentioned disability. Okay, so you do not have to mention anything. The score uploaded an educational document. If discrepancy I noted, the profile will be rejected. I agree. We request you to acknowledge the fact you are voluntary shared the above personal information. You have to click on apply now button. Okay, so this is disclaimer. You have to click on I hereby. Okay, and finally your application is successfully completed. So you will receive this type of mail: application submitted, Cognizant Digital Workspace Engineer Trainee 24 batch. Hi Lokesh, your application is submitted, Cognizant has been submitted successfully. This is the process. This is the drive link of resume. Again I am saying, okay, this is the drive link. Update your resume and please just follow the process that is mentioned by Cognizant team. Okay, again I am mentioning, we are come up with the free preparation video. Okay, we will share each and everything that is related to Cognizant: communication, aptitude, technical, full-time offer. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.